Hi, hello guys, welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see the top 3 mutual funds that you should consider while investing in mutual funds in the year 2021. Just give me 5 minutes, I will give you the top 3 mutual funds. Also at the end I will be telling my favorite mutual fund that I have invested. Without getting late, let's get started. Before getting into the video, I just want to share some information. This is not a paid video, this is all on my own analysis. I don't receive any credits for suggesting these mutual funds. All these are on my own views. First, we will start with the equity mutual fund. What is meant by equity mutual fund? For example, if you give 1000 rupees to this mutual fund will invest all your 1000 rupees in stock market in very good stocks. They will analyze the stock, they will invest in the stocks, and they will get profit out of the stock market and give it to you. This is how the equity mutual fund works. In the recent times, you have seen that the stock market has rallied like anything. Also, all the global markets are very good and we are now in the bull market for sure, which indicates that there is a good possibility that the stock market can give high returns in the upcoming days and the corona problem has come to an end, which gives a positive sign. The first mutual fund is Axis Midcap Mutual Fund. This mutual fund invests all your money in midcap stocks. Why midcap? Because in the recent times, mid-cap stocks have given huge returns when compared to large cap stocks or when compared to small cap stocks. Also, there is a good future for mid-cap stocks. But if you need to invest in mutual funds, it is very difficult for us to find the best stock, or it takes a lot of time to analyze on our own to pick the very right mid-cap stock. But this mutual fund has a very good track record and they have invested in very good mid-cap stocks, and they have if you see, this mutual fund has given a return of 25.12% in just 1 year. And if you see 3-year return, it has given almost 18%, and 5-year return of 18.21%, which is a very good return. And if you see their portfolio, they have invested in almost 9 different sectors. It is very important for a mutual fund to diversify their portfolio. They have diversified their portfolio into 9 different sectors. Even 1 or 2 sector fails, all the rest of the 7 sector will get a good decent return. And here you can see all the different companies the mutual fund has invested. Cholamandalam Investment, Pi Industries, Volta, Sipca, Bajaj Finance, HDFC Banks, Avenue Supermarket, Endurance, Tata Consumer. All these mid-cap stocks are very excellent mid-cap stocks. So that's why I am recommending it. So you can consider this mutual fund while investing in mutual fund. Also, before getting it to you, I have analyzed nearly 7 factors to get the top mutual fund in the mid-cap segment. And if you are interested in analyzing mutual fund on your own, don't worry. This week I will be uploading another video on how to analyze a mutual fund. So you can learn nearly 7 factors that you should consider while analyzing a mutual fund. The second one is hybrid mutual fund. What is a hybrid mutual fund? This mutual fund invests some money in stock market and they will give the rest of the money as loans to big MNCs. So it's like a debt. So some of your money will go to stock market and some of your money will go to debt. So that's why it is somewhat less risky than equity mutual fund. Also, it gives a very decent return. For this segment, I have 2 suggestions. One is Canara Robeco Equity Mutual Fund and the second one is Mirae Asset Hybrid Equity Mutual Fund. Both are very excellent mutual funds, and if you see their 1-year return, the Canara Robeco has given 23% and 3-year return of 13.5% and 5-year return of 15.82%. All these are very excellent figures. Even in bank FD, you will get only 6 to 7% or at the maximum of 7.5%. Also, if you see their portfolio, they have invested in all the sectors. Also, they have provided debt to different sectors. They have also in the debt sector also they have diversified their portfolio. 11% goes to sovereign, that means government sector, and the 10% goes to energy and 32% in financial. Also, they have diversified their stock market portfolio also in different sectors. In the Mirae Asset also, it has given almost the same return. Both are excellent mutual funds. You can pick any one. And the final one, my favorite one, which is Kotak Asset Allocator Fund. This is a funds of fund mutual fund. What is a funds of fund mutual fund? It is nothing but if you invest in this mutual fund won't invest directly in stock market or won't give you your money as debt directly. But what this mutual fund will do is they will invest your money again in another mutual fund. For example, if you see their portfolio, they have invested all your money in almost 7 different mutual funds. One is bond fund, which is a debt fund, and the second one is equity fund, third one is opportunistic equity fund, small cap fund, dynamic fund, infrastructure fund, and the liquid fund. All these are different sector equity mutual fund and debt fund. For example, if you want to invest your money, some money in small cap fund and some money in bond fund, some money in dynamic bond fund, you don't have to buy different mutual fund. You just have to buy this mutual fund. Also, this mutual fund has given a very good return. 1 year return of 24%, 3 year return of 14%, 5 year return of almost 14%. What I see in this mutual fund is, even if the stock market fails, for example, if the stock market goes down due to some big factors, this equity fund will go down, the small cap fund will go down, this equity fund also go down. But the rest of the four funds will perform well because they are debt funds. So you won't lose any money. Also, I have invested in this mutual fund. It has given a return of nearly 13% in 3 months, just 3 months. All the mutual funds that we have discussed in this video are just my views. So before investing in these mutual funds, just do your analysis and invest on your own risk.